Hello everyone, Preet Kaur. I am MTech Computer Science qualified. Today I am going to present topic that is model of the atom. And this topic is related to the chemistry. We already know atom is the smallest particle. Whatever we see around us, everything is made up of atom. So anything is not possible without atom. Now let's see learning points. What are the learning points? First, we will name the three types of particles we will see. Second, we will describe the properties. And third, we will explain what is isotope along with the examples. Next, what are atoms? Now, what are atoms? First question comes in our mind. Atoms made up everything in the world. Whatever we see, like we see table, chair, anything that is made up of atom. Even our body is also made up of atoms. Elements are made up of only one type of atom. One type means C, we are taking H hydrogen atom. Okay, so if element C, this is the element. Okay, see, if we will take molecule H2, it is made up of H plus H. So H2 is made up of the same type of atoms, means that is hydrogen. Each element has specific unique atoms. Now, it is not possible that uh, everything is made up of the same kind of atoms. Unique atoms also exist. All atoms are neutral, meaning that they have no overall charge. We will also read about the neutral atoms. In that case, positive charge or negative charge will be equal. In that case, we can see the atom is neutral. Next, nucleus. Now, nucleus is also a part of atom. See, the centermost part is called a nucleus, and around the nucleus there are shells, and in those shells every atom revolve like as you see in case of the um, solar system. You can see in a planets revolve around the sun. We can take an example of nucleus, and the planets we can consider like the atoms. So see, here you will see a positive charge in the nucleus, and here are the shells. In this you will see electrons are moving like a planet, and electron carry a negative charge. So let's read. Nucleus is the center of the atom. It is where all the mass of the atom is contained. Here, mass you can see, whatever we know about the atom, we have seen that the weight of the atom is only because of the mass. So that mass will lie here in the center. Next, subatomic particles. Atoms are made up of three particles: proton, neutron, electron. You can learn in this form also P and E. Proton, neutron, electrons. Now, first of all, read about the protons. Protons are positively charged. They have a positive charge. They can be found in the nucleus. Here we have already learned that inside the nucleus there is a positive charge and the electrons carry a negative charge. Okay, so the weight of this proton is 1. Next particle is neutron. Neutron are subatomic particles that have a no charge. I have already explained that neutrons are the neutral. Neutral means positive or negative. The charge will be equal. So because of that, we can say neutrons are neutral. They are also found in the nucleus and the weight will be again 1. Now see, Next is electrons. Electrons are the negatively charged particles. They are located in shells around the nucleus and their weight will be 0. Okay, the weight of the electrons are negligible. You can see weight of this electron is 0. Only weight you can see in the nucleus. Only weight exists because of proton plus neutron. Electron have a no contribution in case of the weight because the weight is negligible. Next summary we can see, we have already learned about proton, neutron, electrons. You can see nucleus have a positive charge and weight you can see 1. And neutrons are neutral. You can see charge will be 0 and weight is 1. But in case of electrons, we can see charge will be negative, but no weight will be there. Next is electron configuration. Atoms can have multiple shells of electrons. We already know here is nucleus positive charge. You can see multiple shells around this positive nucleus. And you can see we can name these shells like this, K, L, M, N, up to N we take. First shell can hold 2. See, K can hold 2 electrons. L can hold 8 electrons. And again, third shell, 8 electrons. And N, you can see up to M is okay. No need to take N. So 2, 8, 8. We will fill like this, 2, 8. Okay. Now see, looking at electron configuration, again, neon is taken here and chlorine is taken here. We will study about the configuration of these two elements. First of all, we should know how many electrons are there in neon. 10 electrons are there. But we can't fill 10 in a single shell. We know in first shell we will fill 2. And in next shell, we will fill 8. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. So here 2 we have taken, 2, 2, 4, 6, and then 8. In the next shell, we can fill 8 electrons. Next, in the same way, in case of chlorine, you can see 17 electrons are there. So how we will fill in first 2, 8, then how many are left? In the next we can fill 8, but we are need to fill 17. So 7 are left, we will fill 7 here. So in this way we can fill the electrons. Next is relative atomic mass. Now we will study about the atomic mass. First of all, see atomic number. Atomic number you can find from the number of protons, or you can check number of electrons. How many electrons are there? According to that, you can check atomic number. Atomic number is the number at which place you can place your element. Relative atomic mass, total mass of the nucleus. In nucleus, we have already studied, it includes a positive charge, proton plus neutron. Neutrons have a 0 charge, proton have a positive. So both have a mass and both these things lie inside the nucleus. So total mass of the nucleus is equal to the relative atomic mass. Now elements you can see in the periodic table. Numbers next to the chemical symbol in the periodic table provides information about the number of particles. If you know about the elements, then you can find the subatomic particles like proton, electrons, neutrons. So it will be easy for you. Now see example of lithium. Lithium has 3 protons, 4 neutrons and 3 electrons. Okay, how it is possible? For this purpose, you need to use the atomic number. If you know the atomic number, then it will be easy for you to find the number of protons, number of neutrons, and number of electrons. Next is isotopes. Now, what is isotope? Isotopes are the atoms of the same element. See, this thing you need to keep in mind. Atoms of same elements, but different numbers of neutrons. See the example. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes with the same number of protons. See, protons will be same in the hydrogen, protons and electrons, but neutrons will be different. So this is called isotope. Now see 3 isotope, H1, H2, H3. In H1, you can see 1 electron is there. Here also 1 electron, same number of electrons you will find. Okay. And proton, here is like a light blue color is protons are there same. Okay. But these dark blue are the neutrons. You can see different number of neutrons. So now thank you for listening.